Hey, my name's William Patterson, and if you were looking for a video about why light seems to not be or isn't stationary, then you found the right video. Also, maybe if you're just looking for the reason why Einstein ended up founding his special theory of relativity. It all started with a guy named James Clerk Maxwell, who in 1860 derived equations that described light as oscillating fields of electricity and magnetism, hence the electromagnetic spectrum. 10 years later, after Maxwell's death, along came a guy named Heinrich Hertz, whom Hertz are named after. And Hertz took these equations and worked with them and found that they all were correct and that the equations didn't permit stationary waves as a solution or an output. At the turn of the 20th century, along came an unknown physicist. His name was Albert Einstein. And Einstein learned about these equations while attending a lecture at his Polytechnic University. It had been long known that light couldn't appear stationary, but no one had made a big deal about it. Einstein used this point as the foundation to his special theory of relativity. When he asked the famous question, what would light look like if I rode a beam of light right next to it? He rode the subway and made the comparison. He said that if a subway were going 100 miles an hour, and light in this example were going 101 miles an hour, that the light would appear to be going 101 miles an hour as opposed to 1 mile an hour. Now I drew the analogy, say you're driving on the highway. If you're driving next to a car that's going 5 miles an hour faster than you, it appears to be only going 5 miles an hour. In the case of Einstein, he derived that light cannot appear stationary, that you do not subtract the miles an hour you are going by its speed. Light will always appear the speed of light. Now you may ask, why do we care? Why does it matter that light cannot appear stationary? Well, if scientists could travel next to light at nearly the same speed, and you could subtract the speed that you're traveling from the speed of light and observe it that way, then we would have a much easier time observing light and deriving its properties.